Happy Mother's Day. I have no kids today, so we're gonna see what we're gonna do today. So let's go. So for breakfast, I went to Bojangles, and let me show you guys what I got. Pepsi, some hash brown, a biscuit, and to try their new blueberry biscuits. And then I got grits in a bowl, it's one of my favorites. So yeah, we're gonna eat this, and then we're gonna see where we go next. Next stop, TJ Maxx. If you don't do this, you're a cochina. Next stop is Ross. Oh, and it's raining. It's raining.